this video is wholly based on a new topic called as heat. Yes, we have done many things on heat, but again a visualized video. So heat is a type of energy that we can feel. The hotter something is, the more heat energy gives out. Heat energy always tries to spread from one hotter to a colder thing. So when you touch a hot object, heat energy flows out the object into you, warming you up. So suppose there is a vessel in which there is a boiling water and is truly means highly heated. So why do you just you actually when you touch it you will feel that your hand is also getting warmer. When you actually sit near or touch near if you touch for a while with something hot, you will feel that your hand is also becoming hot. Or when you just rub your hands, creating friction on your hand, you will feel the heat. So that is what the heat energy is, and the transportation of heat. So heat energy can be explained in this situation. So basically, let's see the situation. So there's a type of pot which is burning up with this fire. So first of all, we will see the radiation coming out from the heat. So this is the radiation from here, the burning coal. The radiation is going out. Radiation. This is the conduction point. Conduction. This is convection. So basically what happens, radiation. Heat escapes us from the surface of the hot object by invisible rays that travel through the air and space. This is how we feel heat from the sun. Hotter the objects gives out more radiation than cooler ones. So what happens if you have seen when you fire up a particular place, suppose you have gone a bonfire. So in that bonfire, what do? You burn up a fireplace, you create a fireplace and you sit near it in times of winter. So you will feel the heat. You are not touching the fire, but still you are feeling the heat because it is throwing up some radiations which is producing air, which is making the air hotter and making you feel warm. That is how the sun is giving us heat. Now conduction. Heat energy spreads out through the solid objects by conduction. Metal objects are very good conductors of heat. So heat energy passes easily and here. This is the metal object. So this metals metals are very good. This is a metallic object. Suppose a particular metal. So what happens? The conduction it means actually heat energy when this heat spreads out through a solid object by conduction. So this heat actually when you suppose while cooking you use a utensil to cook a particular thing, but you don't use every kind of utensil. You don't use plastic made things to cook. You don't use some things like wood to cook because they will burn up. So you use a particular kind of metal which is appropriate to cook. For example, you use some type of coated ones to cook a vegetable or cook some curry or rice even. So why that particular thing means why that particular object is heated up? How is actually? So what happened between the fire and the vegetable? There is a middle pan called as the utensil. That utensil is letting the heat pass by it and letting it go to the vegetable very smoothly. That's how you are easily to cook. That is how what the process of conduction is. The heat spreads out through a solid object that by conduction, and also metals are very good conductors of heat. Now what happens, the heat from the fire spreads out through the metal pan. So heat in the fire spreads out in the metal pan, and then we'll go to the convection. Convection. When gases and liquids get hot, heat energy spreads out through them by convection. Hot air or water rises and cooled air or water sinks to take its place. So basically what happens in convection is, when gases and liquids get hot, the heat energy spreads out through them. So when the gases or liquid gets hot, the heat energy can go through them. So that is how it is made with, it is actually by convection process. The hot air, water rises and the cold air or water sinks to take its place. Here the smoke produced by the burning wood, hot air rises. This hot air is rising and the smoke is is of the burning wood. Next, the radiation rays of the hot fire. Now we will go to a new thing called as temperature. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold things are. So it is recorded in degrees Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. So basically what happens, temperature means the measure of the particular thing, how it is hot, how much it is hot or how much it is cold. So let us see some of the things with how much it is hot. This temperature is measured with Celsius, degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. So let's start. We will start with our old new sun. So it is 15 million. It is 15 million degrees Celsius or 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. This is the temperature at the center of the sun. This is the degree at the center of the sun. Next degree over here are, let me just signify what is this circles are. This is for the sun. These are the red, wholly red circles are for those which are having high temperatures, means hot. But these with blue and red, these are mild temperature, and these blues are referring with cold temperatures. So 1000, second one is 1760 degrees Celsius, which is 3200 degree Fahrenheit. So the temperature at sand melts into glass. So this is the degree how sand melts to glass. Next is the 100 degrees Celsius, or let us take the next high temperature, which is 232 degrees Celsius or 450 degree Fahrenheit. So this is the temperature at which dry wood catches fire. So when dry wood catches fire, it catches at this temperature. Next temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degree Fahrenheit. 212 degree Fahrenheit. This is the boiling point of water. Next we'll go to 56.7 degrees Celsius or 134 degree Fahrenheit. This is the hottest temperature recorded on Earth at Death Valley, California, USA, 10th July 1930. This is the highest temperature recorded on world. I am telling a particular place, like every place have a particular temperature. That particular temperature according to on Earth, The highest particular temperature at a place was 56.7 degrees Celsius or 134 degrees Celsius, which is the temperature of California, USA, Death Valley, California, USA. Next, we will go to the mild temperatures. So this is the mild temperature number 1, 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is the temperature of a human body. Normal temperature of a human body is 37 degree or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Next we will go to the second mild temperature called as 2 degrees Celsius. So 2 degrees Celsius or 35.6 degree Fahrenheit is the temperature of the air when rain turns to snow. So when rain turns to snow, it is 2 degrees Celsius or 35.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Next we will go to the cold temperature, which starts from 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is the freezing point of water. Freezing point of water turning to ice means 0 degree Celsius. Next is minus 89.2 degrees Celsius or minus 128.5 degree Fahrenheit. The coldest temperature recorded on Earth at Vostok Station, Antarctica in 1983. Next, lowest temperature we have got of is minus 272 degrees Celsius or minus 458 degree Fahrenheit. This is the temperature of Boomerang Nebula, a cloud of dust and gas that is the coldest place in the universe. The coldest place in the universe is the dust and the gas, the cloud of called as Boomerang Nebula. This cloud is called Boomerang Nebula, coldest place on the universe, having the temperature of minus 72 degrees Celsius or minus 458 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the coldest place. Now let's go to a firm recap of this whole video. So let's go. So this is the recap of heat. Now when gases and liquids get hot, heat energy spreads out through them by convection. This is the means introduction of convection. Now conduction, heat energy spreads out through solids object by conduction. Now radiation, heat escapes from the surface of hot object by invisible rays that travel through air and spaces called as radiation. By radiation, which is called actually radiation. So 7 million degrees Celsius is the center of the sun. This temperature 1760 degrees Celsius is the temperature of sand melts into glass. Then 232 degree is the temperature of dry wood catches fire. 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water. 56.7 degrees Celsius is the hottest temperature recorded on Earth, Death Valley, California, USA. 37 degrees Celsius is the average temperature of the human body. 2 degrees Celsius is the temperature when air and rain turns into snow. 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point of water. Minus 89.2 degrees Celsius is the coldest temperature recorded on Earth at Vostok Station, Antarctica in 1983. Minus 272 degrees Celsius is the temperature of Boomerang Nebula, a cloud, dust and gas that is the coldest place in the universe. So these are the places these are temperature you should know. So the description of temperature is a measure of how hot or cold a object is, or a area is, or a thing is. So this was the whole video about. So thanks for watching. If you like it, please like, subscribe, share and comment me down. So hope you like the video well, and thanks for watching. Bye.